Cold wind blowing through my hair, broken past in the rearview glare. Engine screaming truth tonight, only road knows wrong from right. I was born in a nowhere town, dreams were small, hope was down. Everybody said stay the same, but fire and fear ain't the same flame. Packed my doubts in a rusty car, didn't know if I'd make it far, but standing still was killing me slow, so I chose the only way to go. You can fake a smile, you can fake a life, but you can't fake true when you drive all night. The highway never lies to you, it shows the scars you're running through. Every mile strips your disguise, till there's nothing left but truth inside. No place to hide, no alibi, just who you are and what survives when everything else fades away. The highway never lies. Try to steal my soul, promised diamonds left me cold. Fame ain't worth the price you bleed if you forget the man you need. Lost myself more than once or twice, paid for freedom with sacrifice, but pain became the gasoline that drove me toward who I could be. You can lose it all, you can lose your pride, but you'll find yourself on a midnight drive. The highway never lies to you, it shows the scars you're running through. Every mile strips your disguise, till there's nothing left but truth inside. No place to hide, no alibi, just who you are and what survives when everything else fades away. The highway never lies. No crowd, no fame, no easy road, just heavy dreams and heavy loads. But somewhere in the engine's cry, I heard the man I used to hide. The highway never lies to you, it shows the strength you never knew. Every mile makes you alive, every fall helps you survive. No fear, no mask, no compromise, just truth beneath these open skies. I lost the man I used to be and found the man inside of me. Engine roaring through the night, engine hum and a broken sky. Another reason not to cry. Got a photograph on my dash of a love that burned too fast. She said forever, then she left. Now forever feels like regret. Small town whispers in my head every word she never said. So I drove until the pain went numb, but pain ain't something you outrun. Every road has its cost. Every love leaves its loss. Me and this steel horse rolling on, two broken hearts, but only one is gone. The wind don't judge, the night don't lie. It just listens while I drive. I ain't running, I'm just trying to heal, learning how to finally feel. Sometimes freedom's just being alone with a steel horse and a broken soul. Neon lights, motel rooms, lonely nights, silent wounds. But somewhere between then and now, I stopped asking why and learned how to breathe again, to stand alone, to make this empty road my home. Pain became my teacher's hand, made me more than who I am. Me and this steel horse rolling on, two broken hearts, but only one is gone. The wind don't judge, the night don't lie. It just listens while I drive. I ain't running, I'm just trying to heal, learning how to finally feel. Sometimes freedom's just being alone with a steel horse and a broken soul. One day I'll stop and settle down, but tonight I'm married to this town of endless roads and endless skies where broken men learn how to ride. Me and this steel horse rolling on, I'm stronger now than when she was gone. The pain don't own me anymore, it just taught me what